Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 flip clocks in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading flip clock that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The mooas Flip Desk Clock, a vintage charm that's more than just a timepiece. The mooas clock sports a retro black design, with numbers that flip with time's flow. It's a nostalgic nod to the past, yet perfect for modern decor. Not just a pretty face, this clock features an AM/PM indicator, ensuring you're on track day or night. It's the ideal blend of form and function. Powered by a single D-type battery, not included, it promises about 5 months of uninterrupted time telling. Remember, time flies, but your clock shouldn't stop. If a number pad ever comes loose, don't fret. A simple bend and snap back into place will have it ticking smoothly again. Easy peasy. In conclusion, the mooas Flip Desk Clock is a timeless piece that offers simplicity, style, and a touch of whimsy. It's a tick-tocking, flip-flopping gem for any space. Number 4. The Cloudnola Texttime Flip Clock. Boasting a premium flipping mechanism, this clock takes us back in time with a modern twist. It's not just about telling time, it's about showcasing it with a luxury bamboo frame. Quality crafted with a bamboo frame and durable PVC flips, this clock promises longevity and style. It's a blend of nature and technology that's hard to overlook. Functionality meets elegance as this 12-hour AM/PM clock flips down hours and minutes in words. It's a conversation starter that's both practical and chic. Art and exclusive Dutch design makes this clock versatile for any room. Whether it's the living room or the office, it adds a touch of sophistication. Guarantee, and to top it all off, Cloudnola offers a 1-year warranty, ensuring your timekeeping is worry-free. In conclusion, the Cloudnola Texttime Flip Clock is more than just a timekeeper, it's a piece of art that elevates any space. Don't just pass the time, display it with pride. Number 3. The Kikkerland Flip Clock, a stylish timepiece that's perfect for any setting. The clock features a unique flip mechanism. Each minute, the numbers cascade down in a satisfying motion. Not just a pretty face, it's functional too, with swinging steel legs and rubber feet ensuring stability on any surface. Whether you're decking out your home or sprucing up the office, this clock's classic design fits seamlessly into any decor. It's powered by 2C batteries, which are included, so you can start using it right out of the box. With dimensions of 8 by 3 by 8 inches, it's the perfect size for a desk or shelf without being obtrusive. In conclusion, the Kikkerland Flip Clock is a charming blend of retro and modern. It's not just a timekeeper, it's a conversation starter. Grab yours today. Number 2. The Cloudnola Timeline Flip Clock, a chic addition to any space. This isn't just a clock, it's a statement piece. With its premium flipping mechanism, it harks back to vintage digital clocks while sitting pretty in a luxury metal frame. The Cloudnola Timeline isn't all looks, it's built to last. The metal frame and PVC flips ensure durability, making it a reliable timekeeper. Function meets form with this 12-hour AM/PM clock. Its flip-down display is a nod to the past, and the large numbers make it a breeze to read. It's not just a clock, it's a piece of art. The exclusive Dutch design makes it versatile for any room, adding a touch of elegance wherever it's placed. Guarantee, and for peace of mind, it comes with a 1-year warranty. This clock isn't just an accessory, it's a commitment to quality. In conclusion, the Cloudnola timeline is more than a timepiece, it's a fusion of art and functionality. Whether on the wall or the table, it's sure to impress. Number 1. The KABB Modern Digital Mechanical Retro Flip-Down Clock. Let's dive into what makes this timepiece tick. With its sleek black finish and retro flair, this clock is a conversation starter. It's not just a timekeeper, it's a piece of art that complements any. The 12-hour AM/PM display flips down minutes and hours with a satisfying swish, marrying the charm of analog with digital precision. At its heart lies a quartz movement, renowned for accuracy. This clock promises punctuality and is an energy-saving marvel in your home. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel and high-grade ABS, it's built to last. The materials speak volumes about its quality. It runs on a single D-carbon zinc battery, making it efficient and easy to maintain. Remember, the battery's not included. In conclusion, the KABB clock is a timeless treasure that brings functionality and style to any space. It's a must-have for those who value elegance and efficiency. Don't let time flip away, grab yours today. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.